Hey, I wanted to share with you my funky hairdo. I did a tester for the show. Next week represent, hope to have a whole head of wild curls, like a fro set to go. And I did it with this great stuff called Deputy Do. This was around back in my day. It was the only extreme whole glop that you can do your hair with. So I'm reliving something I did in 78. For my graduating year, I made a big afro. So let's see how it goes for the show. And this is how I did it. I used a straw, cut it, and a bobby pin. So you take the dippity-doo and you saturate your hair. Saturate it with dippity-doo. And then you would take it wet and start rolling it up like this. So tiny little curlers, and then you would take your pin like this, and it's going to take a lot of work, but I think the effect is going to be fantastic, don't you? And then I sprayed it with some hairspray. So dippity-doo and hairspray. You can do big curls, little curls, use different size curlers, and we can have wild, crazy hair for this show. It's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see everybody in their do's and their costumes or their attire, heart and soul. Never grow old and have lots of fun. We've done it. This is fantastic, and I'm really getting excited. I'm nervous, and see you on Saturday. Look at that. Look at those curls. They're just like exquisite. Boo, 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 boo. Makeup next. Ooh. Whoa, I love them. Boing, boing.